Now, let me show you how you can stop the widgets from moving on your iPad. So of course, you have your home screen set up in a specific way, but then what happens is that the layout changes, right? And the most common reason why that happens is that you download a new app and it appears somewhere on the home screen, which takes up one more space in here, and that pushes the other widgets around. So in order to prevent that from happening, go to the settings and in the left panel, select the home screen and app library. And you can see that newly downloaded apps can either go to the home screen or app library only. And I would actually recommend you to set it this way to make sure they only go to the app library, so nothing gets added to this layout and, nothing moves the widgets around. Because, if I go in here and, bring in here an app like this, you can see that on this screen, I move it in here and it just starts moving the things around. So that's what we wanted to prevent it. So a little tip from me right there. Let me know if it worked for you or if that's the thing you were looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.